Alright, y'all, at the Seminole Casino car show. Just walking through here. I'm going to let you see it as I see it. That's a pretty cool bike. Man, look at this GM. This thing is superb. A lot of nice cars here. If I would have known, I would have brought the truck out, but I didn't know anything about it. I came out here for breakfast. I actually saw a couple hot rods go by and I followed them. That's how I knew about it, you know, but it's still early. There's still cars coming in, but there's a lot of cool stuff here. Most definitely a lot of cool stuff here. Cadillacs. Nice Camaro, nice Monte Carlo there. I saw him drive this thing and this thing's pretty nasty, man. Sounded pretty vicious. Look at this thing, man. Gorgeous truck. Like I said, I'm sure by the end of the day that all these slots will be full, man. They just keep rolling in. Pretty cool car show. Nice 4x4. I want you to look at this. Man, that thing right there is just badass. Can you imagine how long it would take to build something like that? Pretty cool. Some classics there. So next row here, nice Camaro. Love the color on this Mopar here. It's a beautiful car. If we'd have known back in the day the value these things would bring today, we would have held on to our old hot rods for sure. But live and learn. Look at this panel wagon. I thought that was cool. Right? Man, I'd ride that thing for sure. This TA over here is really nice. LSX 454 in there, I think. This thing here is for sale if anybody's looking. Get your wallet out. 65 grand, I think he's asking for it. I want you to look at the Ferrari motor in this thing, right? That's cool right there. All kinds of cars here, man. Some are really nice, and others are like obviously rat rods, and some are just drivers, man. And those are what I'm fond of, the drivers. I don't want something so damn pretty you can't drive it. That hauler in the back, man. That's a Cyclone right there. That's a rare car. I'm kind of focused on that bug because I don't know what it is. I don't know. When I see a door open backwards, it just... It's the last row. Cool trucks. A little chilly and hazy this morning, like misty, but today, man, seems like it's warming up nice. Dude, right? That's the coolest camper I ever saw. I've seen this at a different show. Look how big these freaking Cadillacs are, man. But cool, just so cool. I mean, that car's got to be 20 foot long. This thing right here is really cool. Blueprint engine. Check out this interior. I bet he paid a mint for that. It's the Black Widow edition. Nice hot rod. And this guy, he almost won't let you get past it without looking at it. He makes you look at it. It's all good. I'd be proud of it too. This thing here is just sick. It keeps drawing me to it because it's got a Phytech on it. That's what I run on my little Ranger. I was going to talk to him about it, but I figured I better not. You either do or don't have good luck with those things. And this thing right here, if I had one of these, that's exactly how I'd want it. '77 Lincoln. My dad had one of those. I remember it well. Yeah, man, a lot of cool hot rods here. Look how badass that thing is, man. Are you kidding me? Pretty good car show. Thanks for watching.